Here are the top 5 high-paid jobs you can do at home. Since we have undergone pandemic and learned that working from home is an option. Why don't we, right? Do you know them? Click like and subscribe and watch until the end of this video. Number 1. A programmer or coder has substantial opportunities open in the market for them. Especially now in this time, where time is not enough and we want a lot of things in life. The demand for everything instant and enhance our quality of lives by saving time is a demand we all are willing to pay. So essentially, knowledge of coding languages can offer up a lot of flexibility. But programming skills are highly transferable, so workers can switch to similar fields if they choose to. It's a complex field for some, but if your brain adapts well to such a methodical way of thinking, you can use this as leverage. There is a lot of learning websites available online to study coding and jobs across the globe for this type of skills. Number 2. Proofreader. In this age right now where everything is online and everyone can contribute online, there is a need to proofread online contents, articles, blogs and even technical articles. Although, a proofreader rarely alters any of the content or suggests any changes. Instead, they focus purely on the information they are given rather than looking at the bigger picture of what a company requires from content. Because of its nature, proofreading is often paid on an hourly basis, but it's relatively simple work for anyone who is able to spot typos and grammatical issues quickly. So if you have this skill by default or without any need to train yourself, then this might be an easy task for you. Easy task means easy job, and this can be a good opportunity to work at home. Try it. Number 3. Sales representative. Working in sales, either remotely or in person, is often a highly profitable role providing you have the right temperament. The best sales representatives are personable people that are able to develop a great rapport with their potential customers or clients, thereby selling them the right product for their needs. All companies are looking for people that are able to sell their products and services in good scale. Good thing about this, the more the company have sales representatives, the more they can grow. So the demand is there. Now if you have this skill, because of this age, you can work on it at the comfort of your home if needed. Number 4. Graphic designer. If you have a sharp eye for creating graphics or videos, there is always extensive design work available to talented individuals like you. Graphics work can be as simple as some basic photo editing or Photoshop knowledge, right up to creating extensive new pieces for a website or company logo. Video work is similar. It can sometimes involve tweaking or editing a video in a minor way, or it can be as advanced as creating a full trailer for a new products and services. This skill can be learned easily through some courses online and can be leveraged. But if you have this skills, the heart for art and the eyes for designing, then this is perfect for you. Companies are expanding their online presence, and having online presence means website, images, videos, logo, branding and product materials. So graphic designers are always in demand, wherever you are. Number 5. Social media manager. A social media manager often works as part of a team of marketing staff. The role of a social media manager is to help promote a product, business, or website via social media. This can include posting content on Twitter, Discord, Facebook, Instagram, or even creating videos for TikTok. It's important to be able to adapt to different trends as well as keep on top of popular memes or changes in the social media world. Now by default, we are already using these tools online, but personally, right? Now if you can leverage this as a skill you can sell, then you can be a social media manager for a company. This era has been the most growth for social media, and all the more big companies and potential companies that will grow will surely need you. Marketing is an essential part of a growing business, and social media is one of the proven ways for our age today. Now because all of this is online, you can always do this anywhere in the world and even at home. Nice, right?
TMC viewers, did you learn amazing facts today? Don't forget to comment down below what you want to hear from us next time. Click like, subscribe and hit share so you won't miss any video. Thank you for watching Trendmaster channel. Stay awesome.